Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in shadow black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, which includes a trailer hitch, as well as a chrome appearance package, which means that your fender, bumpers, and handles are all chrome. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. You have this nice wood grain inlay, and you also have power folding mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. You have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel and a grab handle to make it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so the key's in the pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu you can toggle through. So you have My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. In the cubby, you're seeing the B&O branding for your premium audio system. Have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. Your display screen has different options you can touch on. So for instance, your audio, you can go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You also have your settings you can slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay. So if you have an Apple phone with the Apple cord, you can plug it in, it'll display just like your screen does. And then you have your volume and tuner. There's your CD down below. You have dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. In the cubby, there's a couple of USB outlets, and you have an automatic select shifter with drive mode. When you press this, it'll appear on your dash. So you're seeing normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and it goes back around again. And you have a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing down the rings at the bottom there, that's the light that'll come on for the ambient lighting. And then in your armrest, you open that up, there's a bin, you can take that out, lots of room down below, and a 12 volt. Then you just close that right up and off to the side, 12 volt and a 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. You're seeing that nice wood grain again. Auto dimming, rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the back, so you just push that. And for your moonroof, simply push the button and it'll slide right open. 20-inch wheels, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just below that handle, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper. As well, you have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we want to open up that tailgate, we can double click our fob and it powers it down for us. Inside, there's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step. This makes it easier to get in. And then when you want to close everything up and lock it up, you can just walk away. And then if you want to start up the vehicle, you can use your remote on your fob and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and that nice wood inlay. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull it down by pulling down on the clip. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center there's an armrest, and you simply pull the tab and then you just pop out your cup holders. On the floor there's carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there's a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents, and as well as the controls for the heated seats for the rear. There's a grab handle in the body, up above, hooks and lighting, and that panoramic view. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to come and visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.